Yeah, it's caused tremendous problems for us as the rest of the hospitals in the metro area. We've been inundated with the challenges of logistics, moving our patients and our workers in and out of the facility.
And the biggest issue for us has really been transportation, getting staff in and out of the hospital to relieve the off-coming teams, and so it's been pretty challenging, but we've managed to do okay.
Forget because I don't have your number with me, okay? I was worried because my water had broken. I couldn't find a ride to get here. I know the cabs, they didn't have any cabs out. They only had 2 cabs in the whole Washington, D.C. area. Metro wasn't running until the next day at 9. And I was calling people when nobody answered the phone. A lot of people were snowed in, you know. I haven't had no problems. He's been sleeping, no crying.
And she had a beautiful, uncomplicated delivery.
Hold on, one more.
Smile, baby.
Well, we can't get our employees because the metro has been shut down. People live on the outskirts. We've had several people that have gotten here, 5 to 6 people to get here, but normally on a Valentine's week we have 30 people scheduled. So we've been manning the phones and clearing the parking lot instead of working on Valentine's Day prep.
We're hoping that tomorrow, by some miracle, the trucks or the planes or people walking, anybody somehow can get the flowers here.